Write a letter to your father requesting him to send you some extra funds for payment of hostel dues. Examination hall, city, ABC, date, dear father. I received your letter yesterday. I have been planning to write you for many days, but could not find time to do that. For the last few days, I have been facing financial problems. You have sent me enough money, but I have spent all that is purchasing some new books and notes. I needed them badly to complete my homework. Money is not everything, but everything needs money. This has upset my budget so much that I have run short of money. I shall be very grateful if you send me at least 20,000 rupees for payment of hostel dues. Dear father, you know I am very frugal and never waste my money. I think my requirement is reasonable. I know that you are spending a lot on my education. Never fear and prodigality on my part. I will be very thankful to you. Compliments to all, regards to elders, and love to youngsters. Your loving son, XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.